first fishing video for ever on this channel. Alright, we're here. I have to be really quiet. I don't want to scare away any fish. See right there? Where's my finger? Like, I'm tired from it. I have a feeling there's a fish there. Okay. Okay, got the rod. That's the hook. Let's go fishing. Got the power bait minnows. Gulp. Minnows. Catch fish all the time with these, or at least most of the time. But I have the minnow rigged. Now let's see if we can catch anything. Okay. Put that there. So take it. Oh. Got a bite. Oh, no. Snag. Dang it. Give me a second, it's stuck. Okay, I was trying to pull the rod, but the line snapped, so this is my last hook. It's my last hook. I gotta be careful with this. Okay. Might as well show you how I rig minnow. Sorry guys, can you see? Alright. Sorry. I'll try my best to show you. Can you see the hook? I'm just gonna set it to the side. It's fine. So you know, where's the hook? This camera. Okay, so you get the minnow like this. From the belly facing up. You push the hook through. You have to forget it. I really just like push the hook through. Like, can you see? Can you see how I rig it? Okay, let's go back. Let's try again. Oh my gosh, there's something right there. It's hammering this minnow. Fish? Oh no, he came off. Did you see him though? Did you see him though? Oh. Wait. Give me a second. Can we mess up there? Oh, that was close. Let's try here. Let's see if we can get anything. Definitely took it. But yeah, here. Keep you guys when I hook onto something. Or when someone at least nibbles it. Or someone's tugging on it. At once. Dang it, I thought I got a bite. Here, see good. Snag, no more snags. But here. Oh, dang it. Okay, let's try over here. Careful. Extremely careful. Whew, did it. I have a feeling that something is gonna eat it. Right here. Dang it. Okay, it looks perfect. I'm just gonna show you guys when I catch a fish. Alright, I could not manage to catch anything. I'm gonna go further over there. Alright, sorry I couldn't show you guys, but caught this nice bluegill. He came off though. Holding the foot as tight as I can. Okay, my first release. Dang. I just watched him hammer my minnow. Do you see those spikes? You don't want to touch those. If you ever go and fishing, try your best not to touch those. There he goes. Fish 1, bluegill. I wish I could show you guys me catching him. Caught another bluegill. Now, since I can't really show you guys how he fights, I'm gonna like dip him in the water and keep him on the hook. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Here we go. There, he's back in the water. Look at him. Look at him. He came off. Just dang it. Did he nibble? I mean, I guess that would be like a release. Like, would you count that as a release? It's like I caught him, but then he came off. So I guess I mean, at least you saw the fish. That's really all that matters. Something took it. Someone's taking it. Someone's taking my minnow. He's tugging. What was that? Out. Oh, is that somebody's lure? Oh look, it's somebody's fishing lure. That's weird. It's really weird. Well, whoever's it is, I'm just gonna leave it right there. Let's go back. Sorry if my voice keeps cutting off. Okay, I'm gonna go down more. Okie dokie. I'm back. Just over there. Got a feeling that I'm gonna show you guys me catching something. I'm out of breath from all that running. Alright, oh yeah, guys. While I'm waiting to catch a fish, I'm gonna tell you something. While I was over there, right? Mind my own business. All of a sudden, what looks like a bee just like flies up. Hey, move out of the way. Something like a bee just flies up in my face and messes me up while I'm fishing. I'm gonna put my glasses in the bag. They're hurting my ear. Sun. Today's a good day. Caught 2 fish. Yeah, technically. Some eating the minnow? I'm confused. Okay, these fish are like really confusing. Nope. I gotta leave. See if anything's there. Nope. No! Gosh dang it. Is he in here? Nope, I don't want to get a snag. Is he good? Dang it, that would have been like a perfect hook. That would have been like a perfect hook set if I didn't bring minnow up. That's why I gotta focus sometimes. Oh, here is a good spot. I assure you that I will catch some right here. Right here. Feels like the spot. Wait, give me a second. I'm gonna check. I'm so glad. I gotta go fix my hook. This minnow's about to come off. Oh no, my minnow's really loose. Dang, get out of the grass. I hope it doesn't come off. I assure you I'll catch. I just fished here. I assure you I'll catch a fish somewhere in this area. Like I will bet you money. Yes, money. That I catch something here before I leave. But I don't got no money right now, so I can't really do it. I don't even know who's watching. The dock. Z-Dock. This right here is a spot. I can sit down, relax. Can you see the minnow? Yep, you can see. Oh, nibble? Nope. There. Tracking where my minnow's going. Is that a fish? I think a fish like nibbled on it or something. I don't know. I'm gonna be risky. I'm gonna be real risky. Stand on this rock. Dang it. Since I don't have any money right now, I'll let you guys say, I told you so. Or you told me so. Never mind. And now, finally, my go-to spot, the right side of the dock. I at least catch one fish here, like every time, right now. I want to be really quiet. I don't want to disturb any of the fish. I'm going to set a hook in the mouth. Is that a fish there? There's a fish right there. Right there. He just nibbled on it. Or is it a minnow? Oh, can you see him? He's right there. He's right there next. Did he? He's staying so still. Come on. Right there. You want the minnow? Oh. Tried snatching it. Oh, he's chasing it. He's chasing it. Oh! He wants it good. He wants it really bad. He really wants that. He really wants the minnow. Too bad for you either. You have to be big enough to eat the minnow. It's the only thing that's wrong with you because you're very small. You can't tell. I'm getting tired. Alright, since that, no, I keep it top. It's that, that's my sister. Since that's not working, I'm gonna use this little fishing rod that I made. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna use this power bait because I have not used that at all before. There we go. There's a hook right there. Put some power bait on. Alright, this is a little bait caster I made. Ooh, geese. I hope that these, do you remember those little fish? I hope they're still here somewhere. Please, please, I just want a fish. I just want to catch a fish with power bait. Dang it, I gotta extend the line. By line, I meant the fishing line. See? If there's a fish. If there's any fish, like I'm 100% fine with any fish that takes this. And if you're thinking, oh, this is probably gonna break, I caught a ton of bluegill, a ton of little baby bluegill with this. It'll be fine. Some took it. Some abducted. Oh no. Alright guys, I got it. But the power bait came up, okay. Now we officially know that the fish here at Doka Park like power bait. Or the bluegill at least. I want to catch a bluegill. I want to show you guys footage of me catching a bluegill. So I'm going to give it to you. Alright. Let's go. I'm going to catch a fish. I know I'm humming the Jaws theme when it's just fish. This is really... Yeah, I think the fish swam away from there. Because I probably scared it off. From me trying to... Sink. Power bait sinking. Please, something take it. Please. I just want to show you guys the catch. I just want to show you guys. No, I want. Sorry, I want to give you guys footage of me catching a fish. All right, let's go. Maybe that zoom in was unnecessary because it wasn't even a fish. Any fish in here. Fish right there. I saw it. If you guys saw it, press the like button. I'm kidding. But if you guys saw it, you saw it. He took it. Oh, he just chomped on it. He just chowed down on it. There, that looks good. Please take it. So take it. Nope. He just ate it. You just... No way. No way I just watched a fish eat my power bait off. Since he ate it, he must have liked it. So I'm gonna go in again. Really still. Do not want to disturb any fish. He's back. He's right there. He's peeking at it. He's nibbling it. He's pecking at it. He was just pecking at it right there. I hope you guys saw it. How about here? Here looks good. Wait. Here? Please. Yeah. Oh. He's eyeing it. Don't peck it. Just eat it. You want it? Come get it. Forget this. I'm not messing around anymore. I'm putting down a trap. More haha. More more. More. This has to work. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. You know? Just let it sit. Now wait for it to come in. Come on, I know he smells it. I know who wants it. I'll catch you guys up. I think he's coming. Okay. End of the video.